Good morning, guys. Nevada Virtual Academy, are you ready for one more proficiency exam problem? Algebra 1, if you want to call it that way. Problem number 201. What is the slope of a line parallel to the line y equals 1/3 x plus 2? Okay, and as you guys remember, this is given to you in slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form looks like y equals m times x plus b. Okay, what do you need to know about the slope-intercept form? You need to know that if you have an equation, a linear equation looking like this, y equals a number times x plus another number, that m, your x's coefficient, will be your slope. Okay, so if you know that, we can identify the slope of this given line here as being 1/3. Okay, for a line to be parallel to this line, to the given one, slope of a line parallel to the given one, we have to remember that two lines will be parallel only if their slopes will be equal, right? So you're looking for an equal slope in the given four options. So I'm looking for a slope of 1/3. A is not good, B is not good, C seems to be the answer, right? Because C has the same slope as the slope of the given line. And this is how you solve a similar problem on the proficiency exam. Let's try another one. 199. Which of the following points lies on the line 4x plus 5y equals 20? How should you solve this problem? Well, there are many ways, right? One way is to plug your, the given points into this equation, right? And always remember that the one on the left will be your x, the one on the right will be your y, okay? So you have now like a t-table, if you want, where for each one of these x's, the number on the left, you will get a y. And you can just plug them into your equation, see if it verifies, or you can try to change this equation into slope-intercept form, basically solving for y. But let's try with a first, okay? So what I have in here, x equals 0, right? So your equation now would be 4 times x, but your x is 0, 4 times 0 plus 5 times y, which y is 4, right, should equal 20. Is that so? Well, 4 times 0 is 0, 5 times 4 is 20. This seems to be the answer, right? Supposedly we have only one good answer. This will be the one. And you can check if you want any of the others. You know, if you have b, if um, x equals 0 and y equals 4, you will have 5 times 5, which is not 25. Not good, right? If I'm going with the next one, x equals 4, I have 4 times 4, y equals 5. So that's not good, and obviously d will not be good also. The answer to this problem is definitely going to be A. Another easy problem, if you'll have something like this on the proficiency exam, you should be fine. 1030. All right, one more. Which of the following points lies on the line y equals x? Well, the equation is telling you that you're looking for a point with equal coordinates, right? A point where x is the same with y, and that point will be A. Another easy problem. You guys are done. Let's try another one. Which equation represents the line on the graph below, right? And for this type of problems, first thing you can identify that your slope is negative, right? Then you can go back to your problem here, and there are many ways to work with. You can look for x and y's intercept, right? You may see that, for this line, what is the y-intercept? Y-intercept is where your line crosses the y-axis. That seems to be 1.5, right? Or 3/2 if you want. What is your x-intercept? Let's use a different color for this one. The x-intercept here, basically where your y equals 0, right? will be x equals 3. And this way you have 2 points. One point where your y-intercept is with the coordinates 0 and 1.5, and the other point for your x-intercept with the coordinates 3 and 0. Okay? Well, you can check in which one of these equations, if you plug any one of this, I mean, or both of these numbers, you will have a true statement, right? That's one way, like I said. Another way is to solve for y in each one of them and see what is the slope, what is the y-intercept. I mean, like I said, many ways. Well, let's try first with you know, plugging in x equals 0 and y equals 0. Okay, so let's see. I'm taking A. If x equals 0, what is your equation now? If x equals 0, I will have 2y equals 3, which gives me y equals 1.5. Okay, we're good so far. Let's check if y equals 0, what happens? If y equals 0, I will have x equals 3. Y equals 0, x equals 3. Looks like this is the right answer, right? If y equals 0, x will be 3. And this way I'm getting my two intercepts, y-intercepts, x-intercepts checks. A seems to be the right answer. And we're lucky, for some reason they're giving us A as the right answer. But using the same approach, you can go with the others. And if you want to check, let's say D, okay, if your x equals 0, you have what? 2y equals 3, which gives you the same y-intercept, right? But if y equals 0, I will have 4x equals 3, which gives me x equals 3/4, which is not my x-intercept. That's why D is not good. And B and C will prove wrong by using the same approach. Okay, let's stop right here.